web series, we're going to give you an inside look at Maryland CDL Academy and how we got started. If you're interested in getting your CDLs, or if you're interested in big trucks, tractor trailers, it don't matter. This is your place. Do me a favor. Subscribe, like, comment, give us your feedback. Thank you. Much appreciated. They got a big auditorium in there.
Yeah.
And they open it up and they bidding from right there when I was in there.
Oh.
Yeah.
So I wonder, do they drive them through or they just leave them parked and they just do all the bidding?
You want to see the auditorium?
Yeah. Damn.
And you can see they just slide in the back. That curtain.
So today we picking up our second truck. We brought it from a place called Ritchie Brothers. It's a black Volvo. It goes with our theme. We're going to pick it up. We're going to put our stickers on the doors, get it all cleaned up, get it ready to rock and roll. We also got a black trailer that we doing. We getting that one cleaned up, getting our emblems put on that one too, getting everything together, making everything look good. ain't got much more. All finished up. We're about to get out of here. We in there. Check that outside. Black mama in there. Most of what we do is training. We spend a lot of time on the lot, practicing with students, working on skills. We do different skills, whether it's straight line backing, forward stop, forward offset, or reverse offset. We also work on things like dropping trailers, picking up trailers, or whether it's going on the road, taking students out, showing them how to drive, upshifting and downshifting. That's what most of this is gonna be. Next episode, you're gonna see some of our students working on their skills. You're gonna see some of them going on the road. You may see some of them doing pre-trip. So tune into our next episode. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching.